What does the term down payment refer to in real estate? The initial payment made by the buyer toward the purchase price. What is a home warranty? A service contract that covers the repair or replacement of major home systems and appliances. What does the term closing refer to in a real estate transaction? The final step in completing a real estate transaction, where all documents are signed and funds are exchanged. What is a quitclaim deed? A legal document transferring ownership of real estate with no warranties. What does the term tenant refer to in real estate? A person who rents or leases a property from a landlord. What is a homeowners association, HOA? A group of property owners who collectively manage and maintain common areas in a condominium development.